issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, central Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lithia Springs, or near Douglasville, and is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Douglasville, Smyrna, Powder Springs, Austell, Lithia Springs, Sweetwater Creek State Park, Six Flags Over Georgia, Jim R. Miller Park, and Mableton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.